Clearfield Drive. We're in the middle of the Falcon Ridge Subdivision here on the southwest side. What's nice about this home is it has a beautiful two-story entryway, so you get a lot of character and style throughout the house just from right here in the entryway. It's got a tile floor, and all the floors in this home are heated. All the tile floors are. This home has, now this first room could be an office, or Dan, they're using it for a formal dining room right now, but it does have the double doors and it does have closets in there. On the opposite side is a really nice, big, formal living room. That's what they're using it for. This will make a great music room. It is just off the off the entry, and it's beautiful and very nice sized. Come on back this way. A very inviting kitchen, breakfast, dining, and great room area. So this is a custom home. It was custom built. It's got beautiful granite countertops and again the travertine tile floors that are all heated. It's got a really nice big walk-in butler's pantry that you'll see in a minute back here. Then the large family room here, again it vaults up to the second floor. And it's got great big windows so you can see all the valley views out here. This yard, this home sits on a 2-acre yard, so it's got a beautiful waterfall feature that goes down to the walkout basement. There's a big koi pond back here, and the koi fish are included. Natural gas fireplace in this room. We'll step back here to the laundry area. But I want you to peek at the butler's pantry on the way by. This is beautiful. Down the hall here we have the guest bath or the half bath. And then we have a room back here that's dedicated to the laundry. And there's also a place here for a computer, so you can have kind of a little office set up back here with a sink and a lot of cabinetry. This is also the mudroom area, so we've got lockers. So if you have a lot of storage, there's that. There's also another door that goes out to the front yard from here. And then this goes out to the 3-car attached garage. Okay, this home has a natural gas forced air heat, natural gas water heaters, and central air conditioning. We'll go up to the master bedroom suite. The second floor is all master bedroom. So as you get up here, you can see from this landing, you can see the entry, you can see the formal living, you can see the great room. It's all open from up here. Just a lot of beautiful character throughout the house. These French doors welcome you to the master suite. This is beautiful. This is a really nice size master bedroom. As you can see, this is a king size bed, and there is plenty of room for extra furniture and large furniture. Has a very large master bathroom as well. As you can see, it's got separate sinks, 2 separate sinks, big jetted tub, beautiful views of the valley there. Then in this room are the shower and the toilet that are separated from the rest of this room. There's a huge walk-in closet, so plenty of room for all your clothing and any other storage items you want back here. Now we'll head down to the basement. like I said, this is a walkout basement. So as you come down here, you can see that we have large windows, a lot of daylight coming through these windows, French doors that lead out to the yard. But this is a beautiful sized room as well. What's unique about this basement, it's set up either for a busy family or guest rooms. So this first bedroom down here, it has its own private bath and walk-in closet. We'll wait just a minute here. The house does have an intercom system throughout as well. Okay, and you come down this next hall. You'll find another full bath with double sinks. And another nice sized bedroom. This is a queen size bed in this room. This might even be a king size bed again. And walk-in closet, but you can see a lot of space in these bedrooms. Here's another little area, so if you want to put a computer station down here for the kids or guests, this is a great place. There's another nice sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. And this is the fourth bedroom down here. There's also a mechanical room and a large storage room down here. But again, nice country property sitting on 2 acres. We would love to get you into this and preview it yourself. Give us a call. We'll be happy to show you this house. Thank you.